Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about a drugstore product from the brand Simple. So if you guys don't know, Simple is a brand which is known for sensitive skincare products. The packaging claims that the product is soap-free, color-free and perfume-free, which is true. So it says it's a moisturizing facial wash which is 100% soap-free, and that's the reason why I decided to include this product in my skincare routine. So without any further ado, let's see how this product works. Alright guys, so I think I can use this product for double cleansing to remove my makeup. So to be honest, I was expecting my skin to get oilier by using this product regularly, but it didn't happen as the product is not overly moisturizing. It isn't overly drying either. It's somewhere in between, and that is unexpected for a face wash which claims to be moisturizing. Overall, this face wash works really well as a standard cleanser for my combination skin without breaking it out or making it oily. But it doesn't do anything great for my skin, it just works as a cleanser. Make sure to give it a try if you have a super sensitive skin. And that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also go and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post video every Sunday, so stay tuned. I will see you guys next week on next Sunday. Till then, stay beautiful and stay strong. I love you all. Bye. Overall, this moisturizing facial wash works well for my combination skin. So